Being unaware on the battlefield is scary. Being reliant on the long process of receiving intelligence from C2 centers leaves you vulnerable when facing immediate threats. IAI-ELTA presents TacSense, taking the most advanced ESM abilities to the field. Meet David's team, planning a covert operation which requires them to move from point A to point B. David's team, being skilled and experienced, knows the wide variety of threats they can encounter on their way to the mission. Commando scout teams using forest-penetrating radars, anti-tank ambushes, tactical UAVs carrying synthetic aperture radar, electronic warfare tools blocking the team's communication and reconnaissance capabilities. Aware of the possible threats, the team deploys the TacSense manpack configuration in strategic locations and build electronic order of battle and situational picture of their surrounding. The system is easy to deploy, utilizing passive detection technology, which doesn't give away the team's location on the battlefield. When the sensor detects a signal, it performs smart analysis to classify the object so that David's team can know if it's friend or foe. While the system detects and analyzes signals and classifies targets along the planned route in order to complete the situational picture. Even if the team needs to stop along their path, they can rest assured that TacSense will provide them with timely alerts if any threats approach their position. By using TacSense, the team can detect threats ahead of time and change their route accordingly, keeping the mission stealth and covert. And so, by using advanced situational picture building technology, David's team successfully captures their target without being detected and with minimal exposure to threats. But it's not over yet. The TacSense solution helps David and his crew create a defensive perimeter around their ingress point. The TacSense solution provides the user a full set of situational picture generation capabilities. These capabilities are of similar quality to those provided by common large solutions, while condensed into a man-portable kit. So next time you're planning to step onto the battlefield, open your eyes, open TacSense.